So here we have the utility room. Because this level of the house is deep inside the mountain, we don't have any slope to the septic tank, so we're putting in a tank over here where the water from the toilets goes into, and then it gets pumped up to these pipe here where they flow into a septic bed. And we have two tanks. One is for the shower water, sink water, laundry water, and the other is for the toilet water. So they're kept separate. And it's quite deep. We're filling it up and putting a whole big steel reinforced cement pad on the bottom that we will sit the tanks on. So I'll show you that at the next stage. Here's the cement ready to mix up. And here we have the electricians running their conduits before the cement gets poured on top. And the painting is going on over here. So we're busy, busy, busy. And this room is now very blue. Oh. Can guy taught me? Guy taught. Oh, pop chop back. And the green is now the color of the day.